Fix in 5. Let's decode P0592. Cruise control multifunction input B circuit low, electrical signal B. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control system inoperative or disabled, cruise control warning light or message on instrument cluster, intermittent cruise control functionality, steering wheel cruise control buttons not responding. Now the most likely causes. Cruise control switch assembly failure or internal contact wear, wiring harness damage, corrosion, or poor connection to cruise control switch, connector pin corrosion or loose connection at switch or module. Here's how a pro pins it down. 1. Confirm the code and record any additional trouble code. 2. Inspect the cruise control switch assembly for signs of. 3. Check the wiring harness for the cruise control system. 4. Unplug and re-plug connectors at the switch and at the. 5. Test the cruise control switch. B. Circuit continuity A. 6. Back probe the connector and actuate cruise control but. How to fix it. Clean corroded connector pins and apply dielectric grease to steering column connectors. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness sections in steering column. Replace cruise control switch assembly if internal contacts are worn or faulty. Replace cruise control module if electrical fault is confirmed and wiring is intact. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 165 to 240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0592 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0592 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0592. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.